You send a crypto from an exchange like Binance into your Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and then it ended up as a peg crypto. And then instead of you to say, let's say Ethereum, you are seeing Ethereum peg, and instead of you to see USDT, you are seeing USDT peg. Now, in that kind of situation, how do you handle it? How do you solve it? Or how do you rectify it? Now, this video should be detailed enough for you to be able to rectify your USDT peg, Ethereum peg, or whatever peg crypto that you have on your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet without having to, lose them. Now, any mistake made during the rectification of a peg crypto can lead to a total loss. So you have to be sure you watch this video to the end and follow the steps. Alright, like this video and subscribe to this channel right now as we proceed. What you need to do, before now, I assume that on your Trust Wallet you already are able to enable the crypto that you sent that is existing as peg. Let's say, for instance, let me use Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum peg. Ethereum peg. Binance. Okay, yeah, this is it. Binance Ethereum peg. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Same thing applies to USDT. So we also have let me enable these ones on different network, yeah, so we'll have this. All right, so we also have USDT peg. All right, so now this particular one right here is called Theta USDT. It's also a peg on Avalanche. All right, so I'm just going to talk about the one on Binance. You can see this one here. This one is called Binance link peg, chain link peg. So when it comes to the case of chain link peg, is the same thing applies. So now that you know what all these peg cryptos are, now these peg cryptos means that they are kind of existing on another network, that they are pegged to another network. All right, but the crypto still retain its same and old value. So what do you do in this kind of situation? Now, to retrieve this, what you do is you go to wallet like an exchange like Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account, click on the link in the description and raise an account for yourself. All right, yeah, wallet like Binance. If I click on wallet, click on spot, click on deposit. Now I have to choose Ethereum. Now when you choose Ethereum, you will notice something. Ethereum gives you, the deposit gives you varieties of network to choose from. Now what you have to do in this case now is to choose the network that your peg crypto is existing on. So I'll choose BEP20. all right, so here you see some details right here. All right, so I'll copy these details and then go back to my Trust Wallet. Always want to enter passcode. Now from here I can now go ahead to send this my peg crypto on this BEP2 network to my Binance account. Notice that this network is also same as this Ethereum peg. All right, now that's how to recover your Ethereum that is existing as a peg crypto. And by the time you're able to do this, now your Ethereum will appear as a normal Ethereum. Then if you are sending it again from your Binance, you could decide to send it on any network you wish. Okay, let me look. Ethereum. Okay, so here you could send it on any network you want. All right, ranging from BEP20, ERC20. ERC20 is the main Ethereum, and most exchanges are built on ERC20 Ethereum. Okay, we have Optimism as well. All right, now I haven't done that. Let's come to this other crypto that is called Chainlink. Now I'm using these few cryptos as a case study so that when you have so many on your wallet, you, or maybe there are other cryptos, you can actually be able to do it without, you know, running 𝗕𝗏𝗘𝗘. But in a situation whereby your own case is a bit difficult and you can't handle it, you can send me an email at BarinuaTradex@gmail.com, or send me an Instagram DM at BarinuaTradex. All right, details in the description box or on the screen right here. So now let's click on this chain link. If you notice, the chain link also exists on BarinuaTradex. All right, so it also exists. So now what I'll do is go to Binance and then search the crypto chain link. What's the name? Yeah, the crypto is actually link. All right, tap on it. All right, okay, that was sending. Okay, I'll click deposit, go to Binance, type the name of the crypto link, and then in this case now the main network of this link is actually ERC20. all right, but since our peg is in BEP2, so we'll have to go ahead to choose BEP20, so we'll have to go ahead to choose BEP20. all right, so now this is my BEP20 chain link address. So now what I'll do is, okay, what I'll do right here is I'll copy this my address, then go to my trust wallet, and then I'll send this my chain link on this BEP2 network to my Binance account, and from there I could withdraw it or send it on any other network I want to send it on. So it's just as simple as ABC. So that's how you are able to recover cryptos that is existing as peg on different network. All right, so if yours is existing as peg on your wallet, and then you could only see it on the scan, let's say for instance if you go to BSC scan, you could only see the peg crypto. Let's say for instance right here, I have to use, let me choose another crypto, let's say you are only seeing the crypto existing as peg, but you cannot it's not appearing on your wallet, it's not reflecting. Now what you have to do is to copy the contract ID just like I've just done right there, then go to the wallet, okay, and click on this angle right here, this side here helps you to enable crypto. Click there, then paste the contract ID, and boom, then you're able to enable the crypto, the peg crypto. So alternatively, if you don't have an exchange like Binance to go ahead to do all these things, and you want to do everything within your trust wallet, all right, all you need to do is to convert that crypto into a popular coin that you can work with, that every other exchanges accepts to. So now for instance, now I could convert this my Ethereum peg, this my chain link peg, and USDT peg. I could convert all of them to BNB smart chain, which is the native cryptocurrency of this network itself. So when I convert that to this BNB smart chain, then I could send it to every other crypto exchanges that I may be having account on. Like for instance, KuCoin. If we go to KuCoin now, let's click on deposit. You see that we have BEP20. Let's click on deposit, BNB. Okay. Now you see there are two networks. We have BNB, that's BEP2, and then we have BSC. All right, Binance Smart Chain. Click on Binance Smart Chain and send the crypto already converted to Binance Smart Chain into this address, and then I'm able to withdraw, convert to whatever cryptocurrency I want to convert it to. So that's how you can go about this. Let me know if you like my videos.